Well guys, here we are at a 2001 Ford Windstar. Changing out the tie rod in. As you can see right there, it's bad. You can see right here, you get one of these like this right here, it's really bad. Well, if it hasn't to do one of these numbers right here, see that moving? Well, that's really bad. Good thing I didn't have to replace the other end, which that will be sometime or another. Alright, I'm going to do this in two different sections. As you can see, it's pretty bad. I was supposed to do that. Alright, I'm gonna get this thing to take it off. I'll make another video there. And for now, y'all have a nice day.